Holding the red tap. That's it. Holding it.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Mark it.
Slate 14, take one.
No one.
Are you rolling?
Yes.
Yeah, it's really good.
Oh, this is rolling.
This is the poster, guys.
Yeah, she is, so that's why
Hello,
we don't
future
mind.
Adam.
Oh no, you just bumped me. Good.
Oh,
Wait, you have to go like
Because the camera's
way
actually
you don't
pointing this
think.
way.
Yeah, the way you
Like
don't.
to the side.
Wait, Neve, you
Oh,
go
no, no, no.
to this way. You go this way, Neve.
Okay.
Don't go crazy, girl. Don't go crazy.
Wait, can you tell if it's rolling on the monitor? No.
Nope.
Okay, so I just presume it's rolling.
Yep. Did we move the camera? It moved.
Yeah, I think it did.
It's giving me like Stranger Things vibes.
It is kind of Stranger Things vibes.
I think it's just because there's a bunch of us in a circle.
And also it's like red and blue. I like it like this. Yeah, I'm happy like this. Okay. I want to get my real camera with me. So,
Wait, make sure it's not rolling.
I'm gonna press record now. From now, and it's just gonna keep on rolling. And that's okay.
Well, make sure it is recording.
How can I like? Oh, wait.
Bring out the screen. Just
Yeah, but that's.
if it doesn't record.
Yeah, it's kind of a waste.
Okay.
It's recording now,
For 30 minutes.
bro.